Okay, this video is using a battery load tester and a multimeter. And the reason I'm making this video is a previous video I made with just the multimeter. It was staying at about 15 volts, which I think is a little high. Online I looked it up, and it's supposed to be between 14.2 and 14.5. But you can see on the multimeter it's coming out about 14.6, 3, 4. It moves around a little bit. And on the load tester, it's about 15. It might be just below 15. These analog meters might be just a hair off too. So I'm gonna shut it off and see what it comes down to. Let's see, it's coming down 13.2. It'll be down to 13 pretty soon, and so is this one. The load tester is at around 13. Hope you can see that. It's not picking it up that good, but it's slowly going down 13. And what I'll do is I'll do a load test on this and see what I get. Okay, the load tester says it's in the good part. It's between weak and good. So at least it's not bad. This is an 8-year battery, so it's going on 8 years. And the other one's at 12.2. That ain't bad. If I let it go, it's climbing its way back up, so it'll probably go up to 12.4 or so. That's not bad for an 8-year battery. So I'm gonna leave a link to the video I made earlier with just the load tester. So if you got any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep on wrenching. Thanks. Bye.